Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
They don't actually believe what we are capable of. So this very man we MGBia, and this message is for most of you people, or let me call it for some people who actually do something sometimes. After they do it, they will come and leave you to autopilot. So this very morning, I want to show you something that any day, anytime somebody come to you and say, "Hey, you are coming for this, you are coming for that, support ESN, support this, support that." I want to make it very, very clear to every Biafran this morning that this is the official card that every single autopiloted IPOB, every genuine Biafrans in Ghana, this is the card they will be presenting to you. You know, when we are talking, most of people don't want to understand that this movement today, those fighting for Biafra today, they are not the same people who fought for Biafra for long. Those who is fighting for Biafra today are so much educated. To the extent, we are ready to do anything for Biafra restoration. And this is the reason why most of you people who have been telling support Biafra restoration, do this, do that, you don't want to listen. Instead of doing that, you'll find the best people, your brothers and sisters, who you carry your money to, and at the end of the day, you see the outcome. So every single Biafran people, I present you this particular ID card this morning, that as long as you are one of the autopiloted IPOB in this country, this is coming for you very, very soon. This very ID card will be coming to you very, very soon. So I wish you stay strong. You stay very strong. So that you will not say, upon all I do for Biafra, they did this, they did that. That's the reason why we have been crying for so long. That you should be so resolute. You should stand firmly to defend Biafra. Because every single thing you do for Biafra is counted. Don't just think that you have done this, you have done that, and as a matter of that, you don't care. Don't think that, because every single thing you are doing today is being documented somewhere. And every one of us who have contributed one day, all you have indeed, it will be presented to you. And you will be surprised why this is happening. Because most of you people today who is doing jumping one place or the other, you don't even know what you are doing. Because at the end of the day, every single thing that you have did for Biafra restoration will be presented to you. So, for most of you people who jump around and say, we know them, they are doing this, they are doing that, now everything is being taken a place gradual. As one of the genuine autopiloted IPOB in Ghana, I'm presenting this to you. Of course, you people always ignore. You always ignore whenever I see people telling you what you need to know. You always ignore it. And believe me, as I'm talking to you right now, a lot is also coming. You understand? A lot is on the way coming. I mean, this is just the beginning. For so many of you people who don't understand, when we are speaking or when we are telling you that this Biafra restoration, we are putting it in the level that you never see before. Most of people don't understand. So, right now, as you can see, this particular ID card will be presenting to you and every single Biafrans in this country, every single genuine Biafra, because, you know, Biafra is not for everybody. Biafra is not for everyone. And as well, you can see Biafra is not for everyone to be fighting for. So, there are those who are choosing to fight for this cause, and there are those who have come to do what? To restore this Biafra. So, we are making it very clear to every Biafrans in this country that you should be aware. This particular ID card, you know, every single thing we are doing, myself, I'd always use myself as an example. I use myself as an example, and this is the United States of... my heart is always full of joy. You know, they say, if you know what you are doing, you always stay strong. No matter how people do one thing or the other, you always stay strong, because if you know the outcome of what is coming, you always stay strong, and nobody will ever deceive you. Most of people who know me, you know, when he was back in the days when we come and shout, "Oh, Simon Ekpa is doing well, support him," and all of you will know by then. But today, are you seeing where we are today? People were criticizing us. "Oh, we know them. Some media somewhere. Simon Ekpa in boys. Oh, did this and that." Now you don't see them. Look at the ID card here. Notice that they talk. And believe me, this ID card is for those. It's for only in Ghana. This particular ID card is for only those in Ghana, the genuine Biafrans. And believe me, you see when we are talking, most of you people, you come around. "Oh, we know them. They people, their wives. This and that, that and this." We told you that there will be a time like this, and now you don't see them. Every single genuine Biafrans in this country, they will be having this ID card. You see this particular ID card? Every single genuine Biafrans, after the endorsement of the Prime Minister, is going to be on every single genuine Biafran, because it's not for everyone. You understand? So whenever you see what we are doing today, you'll find it being stupid. You'll find it, we don't know what we are doing. You'll find it, we know some junkie talking somewhere. You'll find it that, Simon Ekpa and his boys. Believe me, there will be a time you will be like, how do you know? And remember, someone like I always say, any day in time you know what is right, and they're not doing it. And at the end of the day, you come with Hadaino, you are very stupid. You know, when we are talking, shouting, people always say, we know there's Simon Ekpa and his boys, and you always say, calm down, what you don't know is bigger than you. Ihe Yemaro is bigger than you. So right now, you are seeing the step. You see the step now. This is how everything always started. Every single genuine Biafra, everything started gradually. Because when you remember the process, the government of Biafra have been taken from day one, the process they have been taken, and where they started, look at where they are today. The same thing as well. Every single genuine Biafra, the same thing as well. We start by little, and at the end of the day, you will see where we are going to come up. At the end of the day, you will see the outcome. When we are talking, people always find it difficult to understand that there's something that there's something that is bigger than you. Because what you hear, you should ask questions and stop being ignorant of it. Because any time we are talking, you always find it that, if some stupid guy is talking somewhere, if some junkie is talking somewhere, of course you will say that. But the question is, what do you think about those things that we have been telling you? And all we have been telling you, have those things that we have been telling you come to pass? That's the question you need to be asking yourself. So, any time you see every single thing that we have been telling you and always come to pass, then you need to go back and start rethinking and start reasoning as human being. Because you find it difficult even to understand yourself. Because if you really understand yourself, you understand someone when the person is saying something. Because those who don't understand some people are those who is so much confused and they don't understand themselves. They don't understand themselves. So, if you don't understand, how will you understand someone when the person is speaking up? So, stop being ignorant of what you see or hear sometimes. Sometimes you need to apply your wisdom, use your head, try your best, do what you can do. Okay, sometimes you feel like, okay, let me try, or let me do this, or let me do that. Instead of being so ignorant of some things. So, stop being ignorant of the Biafran government. Stop being ignorant of what they are capable of. Stop being ignorant of what they can do. That's the reason why I'm telling you this morning. You have to change the way of your, Simon Ekpa is boy. This is the time you need to start channeling your energy. And most of you people who have had to support Biafra, but you're not doing anything. Or most of you people who have had to do the needful, but because of some particular people, some particular confused people, maybe Ipob Nigerians, or maybe those people who are confused that you have been under their influence of whatever it may be, it's a high time you need to change your way of your thing, change the way you think. Because everything in this Biafran struggle, it will be there for you. And one day it will be presented for you. So stop being ignorant of Biafran government. Stop being ignorant of what they are capable of doing. Stop being ignorant of Simon Ekpa and his boys. Stop being ignorant of the Biafra Prime Minister. So you need to change the way of your thing, change the way you behave, change the way you think, change the way your reasoning ability. You need to change it. Because everything you know, maybe if underground stuff they do before, they do underground stuff. This is the time you need to understand that every single thing that is going on today is no more underground stuff. Everything today is physically. Support Biafra. And you're not supporting Biafra. You're on your own. Because time there will be a time you will be like, how do you know? And now had I no time, it just started. Most of you, it just started. You started saying, had I know? It just started. So, if you're anywhere you are in this country, I advise you to start doing the needful. I advise you to start looking up to the people or the government of Biafra. You understand? In this country as you are, let me end it there. So, whatever you have to do, start doing it for your good. And if you have something to do for Biafra, it's a high time you need to start channeling that to energy and stop following. It's a high time you need to use your ear, use your eye. Whenever you see the outcome of whatever, if you have heart for Biafra restoration, there's nobody that will be confusing you with the stories. Because everything those fighting for Biafra is doing today, you have seen it before you. Biafra restoration today is no more underground stuff. It's no more we are doing it. It's no more Biafra struggle today is you are doing it and people are seeing it. That's the reason why every blessed day today, everything the Biafran government is doing is physically. Everything that you see most of us doing today, we put it live so that you know. Not be like you are digging underground. You're not digging underground for nobody. Everything is physical scene. And that's the reason why I'm saying all these things today. You see this particular thing I posted here, this particular one, most of you people who have been neglecting autopiloted IPOB in Ghana, this and that, we know them. More is coming. And that more that is coming, that you people always neglect us, you always say, had I know at the end of the day. And this particular ID card you are seeing here today, It's one of the ID cards to identify anybody that will be coming to you. We are Biafrans. We want you to support Biafra. We want you to do this. We want you to do that. And once you do not see this ID card with the person, and once this ID card I present here, you do not see it with anybody that is coming to you to say support Biafra restoration, support ESN, support IPOB, support whatever they say support. And the person is not coming with this card. I'm talking about Ghana particularly. Anybody that is coming for fun, for support, and the person is not coming with this card I present, and the person is coming to ask you to support whatever, and if you're doing it, you are on your own. This ID card I present here represents autopiloted IPOB. If anyone like, take this particular message. If you don't like, it's all your business. But what we are showing you is that every single thing that we have been doing, you always see it before your eyes. You always see it. And that's the reason why everything will inform you before time will come. We informed you that time will come like this. There will be a time like this. But all of people neglected it. And believe me, as time for this has come, believe me, a lot is coming. When when more that is on the way coming, when it will get down here or it will start, you people as well will say, of course, you have always said, or neglect everything that we are doing. As well, you will continue neglecting. And at the end of the day, most of you people will end had I know. You understand? This particular ID card is representing every single autopiloted IPOB. And anybody that don't have this ID card as a autopiloted IPOB, the person comes to you and say, oh, do this, do that. And the person is not having this ID card. The person is not with us. I want this to sink in your ear. The person is not with us. Anybody that comes to say this and that, ask the person your ID card. Ask the person, say, please, your ID card is needed. We want to see your ID card. Because everything has come to the time that you will know who is who. You understand? Because we told that everything is taken by step. And this time around, it's time to know who is who has come up now. And this is to identify who is who. So this ID card must be presented. Anybody that will be coming to you for any support, so far as it concerns Biafra, and the person is telling you to support Biafra, and I'm talking about Ghana particularly, and the person says support Biafra. If the person is not having this particular ID card, the person is not with us. Is not fighting for Biafra. So let whoever that will come to you and say support, and you take your money or whatever, anyhow you want support, you support it or you do, that is your business. But anybody that will be coming to you from now on as I'm speaking, anybody that will be coming to you asking you for fun, asking you to support or do whatever, and you do not ask the person about your ID card, you are on your own. Anybody that will come to you say support Biafra or do this, the first thing you need to do is your ID card is needed. So this is it. So stop being ignorant of what is going on. Because as you keep on ignoring Biafra restoration, as you keep on ignoring what the genuine Biafrans are doing for Biafra, you will keep on sinking. And those who is doing the needed, they will keep on going higher. Because I remember when we started all this thing, we'll be coming to shout, oh, support, or the autopilot is in Ghana is inviting you. You'll be talking, oh, this and that. Now a lot is being taken in place. And everything is called step by step. And now, and the reason why it's said, sometimes I always tell people that everything happens for a reason. You see everything in this planet, they happen for a reason. The time, let me say 2 weeks ago now, that people go around and collected money. At the end of the day, what we had is that autopiloted IPOB collected money. They left it autopiloted IPOB. Some things happen for a reason. After that, this is the outcome of those people that were going around collecting money from people. This is the outcome. This particular ID card now is now the outcome of those who will be coming to your store, begging you money, telling you to support this, to support that. This ID card now is now the outcome of that they are going around the street. And at the end of the day, they will leave it autopiloted IPOB. This is the outcome. And this outcome is that anybody that will be coming to you to say, Biafra in this country called Ghana, support ESM, support IPOB, support whatever, and the person did not present you this ID card. This is my own personal ID card. I present it to you. If you like, go read this message. If you don't like, it's all your business. Anybody that will say support this, support that, let the person present his ID card. Secondly, anybody that will be coming to say support this, support that, if the person do not allow you to make a video of them, don't support. This is how it works now. The ID card must be presented. Second one, the person or the people must make their video. Yes, if they do not allow this, if they do not present their ID card, second one, they do not allow you to make a video of them. Mind you that they are not in support of Biafra. Mind you that they are IPOB Nigeria. Mind you they are doing their own business, of course. So this is the information. I want you to take this information. This message. Is very, very important for most of you people who is so much ignorant and daft of what is going on. This is the time you need to do the needful. You understand? Support Biafra restoration. And whenever you are supporting Biafra restoration, know those who to support or know those who is coming to say support. And this is the reason why, or this is the outcome of those who collected money on the street and led it to IPOB autopilot in Ghana. This is the ID card. And believe me, this ID card is it's not for everyone. It's for those who believe on believe in Biafra restoration. It's for those who come to stand to defend Biafra, to save Biafra, to keep Biafra alive. This ID card is for them. It's not for everybody actually. You understand? But for those who have come to defend Biafra and restore Biafra, this ID card is going for them. And mind you, it's free. It's not for, maybe it's not just like you come. We don't do all those underground and collecting people money. Every single thing we are doing it for Biafran citizens. You understand? This is for Biafran citizens. Nobody will charge you for anything. Nobody is asking you for anything. As a genuine Biafra, as a genuine autopiloted IPOB, when I say autopiloted IPOB, I mean the whiter that's known Biafra. As a genuine, we find you being genuine, truthfully supporting Biafra. This ID card will be handed to you. You bring your information, they will document your information on the ID card. After your documentation and everything, you will find yourself or you'll find your ID card like this. And this is speaking for you. From that moment that this ID card will be handed over to you, now the Biafran government in Ghana or Biafran or autopiloted IPOB in Ghana is now in charge to speak for you, to stand for you whenever you needed a support or whenever you needed Biafran or Biafran government to speak for you. We will be speaking on behalf of you. So, mind you, I want to break it down so that it will enter everybody here. Everything we are doing today, we not just concoct it. Everything is going down under the government. So don't just think that we are one of all these people that just come around and begin the rant and do whatever they want to do. We don't do it like everything is going down through the government and it is going well. So we are under every single thing we are doing truthfully, and I mean we are telling you genuinely so that you will not be like, oh, nobody inform us, because there will be a time. You see right now as this is being presented, there will be a time it will be so difficult. You know, everything started freely, and at the end of the day, you of course, time will come, you will be seeking to get this ID card as far as you're in this country. So this time around is free, and it's not free. It's not for everybody. It's for the Biafrans. When I say Biafran, the genuine Biafrans, those who believe in Biafra, not anybody. It's for Biafrans. So please inform everybody in this country to be aware of this. It's free for every single person who is autopiloted IPOB. You'll be handling. This ID card will be part of those who will be using it in this country. So be aware of this, and don't say nobody informed you, nobody told us so, because this is the only problem all of people always have. Nobody told us so, they don't inform us so. Now I'm informing you. I always use myself as an example. This ID card will be handed over to every single Biafrans, genuine ones, so, because I said it earlier, it's not for everybody. So be aware, and don't say nobody informed us, nobody told us. So now is the height I need to know your left and right. And let me say it again. This ID card was the response to those who go around the street of Ghana collecting money from people and levy to autopiloted IPOB. This is the response. Anybody that will come into to say support IPOB, do this. If the person is not coming with this ID card, and secondly, if the person not allow you to make a video of them, mind you that you are on your own. God bless the Biafran government. God bless the Biafra Prime Minister. God bless every single genuine autopiloted IPOB all over the world. God bless those fighting for Biafra, because there are those who is fighting for Biafra and there are those who is making money in Biafra. So I'm saying it very clear. This particular ID card is for those, is only for in Ghana. This ID card is only for in Ghana. You understand? So be aware, and you should not be, maybe you begin to jump around and get. It's for only those in Ghana. This particular ID card is for them. And the reason for this ID card is for those who go around street collecting money from people. At the end of the day, they will call them unknown. They will call them autopiloted IPOB. So we are saying it very clear, loud and clear now, that anybody that will be coming to you and say do this, do that, and the person is not having this ID card, and the person is saying support ESN, support Biafra, do this, and the person is not having this ID card. You see this particular ID card, mind you are on your own if you support or if you give out your money. So be aware of this. And you are being called now. Now is free for every single Biafran. It is free, and there will be a time, of course, it will not be free anymore. So every single Biafran citizen who believes in Biafra in this country, as I'm speaking as of today, from this moment, be aware of this ID card. And you are being invited for it. So if you don't support Biafra, it's your business. If you support Biafra, it's your business. But what I want you to know is that everything is being documented. What you did is being documented. Every way, anyhow you support Biafra is being documented. So this ID card is not for everybody, but for Biafran citizens, those who believe in Biafra, those who defend Biafra, those who support Biafra. Genuinely, the ID card will be given to you. And when you find this message, look at yourself very well. Will I defend Biafra when the time comes or when the time is needed? Will I speak for Biafra? Will I defend Biafra from the enemy, even no matter what? When you ask yourself that question and you are ready to do that, then you seek for this ID card. But it's not for everybody. It's for those who can speak for Biafra and defend Biafra and support Biafra. So God bless Biafra people. God bless the Biafra Prime Minister. Every single Biafrans all over the world. God bless us, and may we do more to free ourselves from the jihadist Islamic Nigeria. He said, God bless all the autopiloted IPOB all over the world in Ghana, the Biafra Prime Minister, Biafra government in SI, the Biafra Charter government in Biafra land. God bless every one of us. All hail Biafra. All man the judge. And on behalf of autopiloted IPOB in Ghana, I bring this message to you.
So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Please do well to drop your opinion in the comment section. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst as I bring all the updates to you back to back. Please share our videos, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and bye bye.